Why do women go crazy over a man who has compact and tight buttocks? Why do they especially go crazy when a man also have a big penis? What is the guiding energy, desire, or attraction that makes a man with these two special characteristics the best catch that is available? Well, the answer may come as a bit of a surprise to you. You see, these magnetic traits that a man can have are based on what Mother Nature dictates. It's really that simple. Yes, it is simple biology that makes a woman intensely attracted to a man who has these physical traits. The reason for the tight buns is biologically reflected to a woman that the man will have good, strong, and powerful pelvic abilities. Which is to say that he is equipped with the right musculature to have dynamic, intense, and strong thrusting power. A man with this ability biologically triggers a response in women that tells her that he will be a great copulator, and not only that, but that he will be able to better deposit his seminal fluid deeper into her vagina. This means that he is better equipped to father children. Amazing, isn't it? The reason that a woman is attracted to a man with a large penis is equally due to Mother Nature's influence. And this biological magnet also has to do with sexuality and procreation. For a man who is equipped with a larger penis will also be better able to deposit his sperm deeper in her vagina to aid in pregnancy. Again, it has to do with his ability to father children. But it gets better and even more fascinating and interesting. When a woman has an orgasm, what happens from a cervical point of view? The cervix constricts and creates a vacuum effect in the vagina and cervix. When this happens, this suctional force does what? It sucks seminal fluid into the cervix through the os opening of the cervix to aid in pregnancy, too. Now, a man who is a great pelvic thruster and a man with a larger penis are going to help a woman engage in what? Such a man will help engage a woman into having an orgasm. Thus, even increasing the chance of pregnancy even greater. So, this is why women love men of this physical caliber. Okay, men, how do we tighten up our buttocks and enlarge our penises? A great way to tighten up your buttocks is to start using stairs. Skip the elevator and start climbing. Get one of those stair machines for your home if you have to. Biking and walking are also great ways to strengthen and tighten your buttocks. So, walk to work instead of driving, or bicycle to the store instead of driving. If you do drive, park as far away from your destination as possible to force yourself to walk. For your lunch period, walk around your office complex to strengthen your buttocks. The best way to enlarge your penis is via penis exercising. This is a form of natural penis enlargement which utilizes your hands to manipulate the penile tissues through squeezing, twisting, stretching, and bending the penis. These might be a bit difficult to perform on your lunch hour at work, but you can easily do them at home, in private. 20 minutes a day is usually all that is needed to start seeing demonstrable increases in your penis length and your penis girth. Biology can teach us a lot about the opposite sex and how to attract them, if we understand what the proper signals are. Using Mother Nature's wisdom and guidance is one of the absolutely best ways to increase your attractiveness with the opposite sex. Georg von Neumann. Men, it's easy to walk around the block or start taking the stairs to get those magic buttocks. To get the penis enlargement sizes you are seeking, it's advisable to use the most advanced methods of penis enhancement techniques that are available. To get started enlarging your penis, read Iron Man Penis, the Russian system to help you enlarge your penis.